All right, everybody. Check this out. Okay, I got KB here with me. We actually just got this delivered. I bought this off of Facebook Marketplace. Thank you very much, Matt. Do greatly appreciate it.
We could
For
get
posting.
this top off pretty easy.
You probably could get the top off. Yeah, definitely. Let's take a quick walk around on it quick. Look how huge. Oh, someone painted it at one point.
Look how tough the fins are. You can't bend them.
Oh, yeah. I don't know exactly how good good a shape the chassis is in yet.
Yeah, we'll find out in a second.
But yeah, so this is a holy ground. I was actually hoping, she said she found this too, but the unit never popped up, unfortunately. But that's okay. Maybe it will, hopefully. If it does, it looks like I'm either you shipping another one or I'm taking a drive down to Tennessee. I would have went down to pick this up myself this time, but I had such a busy week, I just didn't have time. I want to see if I can guess this by the sound. I'm pretty confident it's going to fire right up. Oh, come on. I'm going to put this down for a second. All right, like I said, it's just got delivered. We didn't do nothing with it yet. That is so cool. Look how huge the evaporator fins are. Dude, that is crazy. Ken said, Horan says it's about roughly 7,000 BTUs. It does have a little instruction sheet here on how to run it. This is, look at that all you want.
Want to?
I'm just letting them putting each one of these on here quick. So the model number is 75WAC-I. Tested at 250 PSI, R12, 3/4 power compressor, condenser fan, and evap blower. It might be made by OA Sutton Corporation in Wichita, Kansas. That is wicked. Oh, it does have a thermostat, but where? I do not see the thermostat. Call me blind. Oh, huh. I don't even know how to use it with a screwdriver. That's funny.
Keeps the wife from messing with it.
Yeah, how about it? This thing is freaking cool. All right, let's see if the fan works. Nope, it hums. This is not humming. That's okay. We'll see. We'll get to the bottom of it. Side, I think this side had a compressor on it. It was freaking heavy though. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah.
That sounds like semi-harmonic.
Really?
Yeah, that does not sound like an S. That's semi, but it's like the silhouettes.
Sounds freaking good though.
100%. I bet it's like the silhouettes have.
You hear that?
Mm-hmm.
The whistle.
Am I missing any screws?
I don't think so. Nope. All right, hang on.
Actually, I got one right there. Oops. That's not my unit.
Funny.
I'm hilarious.
All right, we'll get the reveal on freaking. So this might not be an S or a B.
Yeah, it might be even better.
Yeah, how about it?
And I'm a big explain why.
I thought you said you had all the screws.
I didn't. I saw this.
Even the blind
Hey, look at
squirrel
this.
catches a nut every once in a while.
All of the screws
Just for the lid.
came out of the lid.
It's a B series.
It is a B. No shit. Sounded odd.
It's a very nice sounding B. Smooth. All right, so two fan. Wow, look at the freaking. Wow, dude, I have never seen a condenser clog that bad before in my life.
That's real good for the refrigeration system.
We see.
Where's your oil at?
Yeah, how about it? So it's dual fan motor. It's rusted pretty bad. It had the drainage system kind of like the old Sears's. Has a the base pan itself should be in good shape. Look at the drain hole it has right there from factory.
Got enough loss test in this damn thing?
How about it? It's trying to run. This compressor's probably not going to fire back up. It actually sounded like it sounded pretty smooth for a B, didn't it?
Look how much it's.
Oh yeah.
It does not sound like a B though, doesn't it?
No. Not at all. You got on the suction line here. Oh, dude, yeah.
That's too damn tight.
We'll get it. Feels like it's cooling, but yeah, it is. I wonder what the purpose behind this was. Look at that. They have the condenser side right there. Yeah, B series. And they have this done like kind of like you do with the TXVs. Look at that. Oh, it's not really getting that. Did for a minute.
Even a condenser ain't even warm. I don't have any R12 here either, so here.
It don't matter. It's preserved. That's all I care about for now.
So you bring it down next time.
You can always bring it to the meet and do it there.
You're just getting greedy.
How do you figure that?
I think the fan is somewhat running inside. There's something coming out of it.
Oh yeah, it is running. How about it? That is beyond wicked though. I want to get that thing to freaking run. I think it will once I get it freed up enough. Yeah, she's not doing much as far as temperature, is she?
And you know what makes me happy?
What?
It tells me how many ounces of refrigerant put in it. Oh, bank in alive. There we go. Did it?
Oh, yeah. It's quiet. I believe this to be a dual. Oh, are we going? Hang on. I'm gonna get some freaking get my oil can quick. My garage is a disaster again. Here it is.
That was a water force on that deal.
Try to do that for now. See if it'll sink in. It's the best you get. It's literally the best I can do right now. Yeah, we ain't gonna damage the compressor by letting it run like that, are we?
Well, then let it overheat. Why does it seem like it's out of juice?
It is out of juice. That's why it's so quiet.
There's not even any heat out of the discharge.
That explains why it started up so quietly. It didn't sound like a B series. Oh, we got it. We
I'm
good?
gonna stand over here. That's flipping shit everywhere.
That is the worst I've ever seen a condenser block up. Cool. So it's living.
That's good for this thing hasn't not ran in a long.
Probably take a guess. It hasn't been run since the 70s. It's definitely blowing cooler than it is outside. There's something in there, but not much. Yeah, Ken did say it's about 7,000 feet to use, which makes sense because it's not really, that doesn't really have that strong of a flow. I'm not complaining.
Yeah, that's what you need for to use.
Yeah, at one point it had its balls run off. Check out the dampers. see that one. There you go. Oh yeah.
A little better.
Yeah. It's definitely nice to save the compressor to grief. It didn't even. It does still have the B series kick. You know what though? At least the freaking chassis ain't rotted that bad. The chassis is fine. It's over here mostly, which isn't really that big of a deal if you really think about it. Let's clean it up a little bit. I want to try to get to the fan in here. This thing, if I looked at the chassis photo on Ken Horan's page correctly, it's actually a dual shafted fan motor with 2 centrifugal blowers on it. Can we see it? That's what these. Oh, this might be a knob. Oh yeah, dude, we're idiots.
This is why we technically didn't go to college.
Yeah, how about it?
You had that one off. Why don't you break it?
It was already off. It was already freaking off. What the hell, man?
There we go. Oh. It's actually a really good wiring diagram. Cool. That filter has to be like totally clogged up to be that damn tight. Wow.
They did clean the filter at one point. Can you see the blowers? They're hiding down here somewhere.
Where the hell are they at?
Can you see? There's your thermostat.
Nah, it's like they're really back here. It almost seems like in here.
It's amazing how this thing comes apart. These are all just a bunch of side panels, all screwed into each other. Hey, it makes for a hell of an easy restoration.
Yeah, it does.
That's actually how the 48 York is too.
This would make a really good cleaning video.
Oh my god,
That's bad.
dude! Like I said, if you want to freaking mess around while I'm
You know,
at work or whatever.
Out.
Oh, the 48.
Nah, you just freaking told everyone in the world.
That's why it sounded more like an S series, but it was as if it's flat on charge. But where the hell is the leak? I wonder if it ain't right up here.
The good news is we can pressure test it today. I just can't charge it.
That's
What's
fine.
wrong with me? We could do that.
And it's dead flat too.
Yeah.
I wonder if the problem ain't right here. Look at that.
I mean, is it just tar?
It's rust.
It's a steel clamp right there. Could be.
I wonder what their purpose behind this was.
Probably just to keep liquid boil off any liquid in the suction, my guess.
The fan one's good now. Yeah, I don't know what their thought process behind this was, having tar on the filter, but hey, whatever.
At least it has the filter.
Yeah, how
You don't
about
have
it?
to make the filter.
It's actually in good shape too. That is awesome. I think the average person would throw this away.
It's been done before, sadly.
There's still a few of them out there yet, I'm sure.
Yeah, you got one of them.
Alright, well, for now, that's as far as we're going to get. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, catch you guys on the next one.